If you're scared of programming because you have seen stuff like this, then worry not, because it can also look like this. This is Python, the language everybody is telling you to learn. Python is open source, cross platform, and general purpose programming language. And that's a mouthful. Open source meaning it's free and its source code is made available to users. Cross platform meaning it runs on almost every big platform, say Windows, Linux, macOS, etc. General purpose meaning it's not locked to any specific task or application. Like SQL is not general purpose because it's only used with databases. It's very popular, third most used programming language in 2024, and hence answers why Python. It's very simple and intuitive. Like, take a look at this. Even if you don't know how to program, you can still understand what this code does. And in the world of AI, it's the most in demand language if you're looking for a career in the programming world. Getting started is also super easy. Like, install Python for your own OS, like I'm on Windows. Install any code editor, and if you don't know what that is, just go with VS Code. Create a file with the .py extension, write a small code, run it, and there you go. Now add it to your resume and apply to all the AI jobs you can. Kidding, but if you want to learn Python, subscribe because I'm going to make more videos on Python that will take you from beginner to an intermediate or even advanced programmer.